Hello, good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover, hope you're well. Wanted to just talk you through this car, just come in, worth having a little bit of a chat about it. It's a really nice car. So it's a Range Rover Velar R Dynamic HSE and it's a 3 litre straight 6 diesel. Finished in the Carpathian Grey. We've got LED headlights, which do also have adaptive headlights with high beam assist. We've got the nice grey finishing on the grille and the lettering. With it being R Dynamic, we do have the copper insets down on the front bumper, on the bonnet and on the side vents. Car has also got the nice option of the 22-inch diamond turned wheels. Coming around to the side of the car, R Dynamic, the lower sills are all a gloss black finisher as well, and we've got the keyless entry on all the doors, just denoted by this little button here. Car is a fully approved car, so it will come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years if you are financing the car. We've also got a rear camera on the car and power boot lid, and plenty of boot space in there for you as well. If we just lift this up, you'll see that we have also got a space saver spare wheel as well. LED rear lights are also standard on the car, along with the privacy glass. With it being an approved car as well, it means that it will come to standard, so there should be no scuffs, no scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. If we just have a look inside, we've got the really nice ivory and ebony finish on the interior. Does also benefit from having a power recline rear seat, so you can increase the recline for the rear occupants, along with the heated seats and 2 USB-C ports. Just into the front again, we've got the ivory ebony interior. This has got the full Windsor leather on the car, and the driver and the passenger seats do benefit from having full electric memory seats. If I just jump round to the front of the car, exact mileage on the car today is 38,594 miles. Just going onto the car and starting it up, you'll see we've got the nice Duo Pro screens here, so your bottom screen will look after all your terrain response, your heated seats, your climate, just onto here, and then you can just literally push and twist. Car has got heated and cooled seats and massaging seats for the driver and the passenger, and then we've got your sat nav, your Bluetooth, your radio on here, and then we've got your additional options where you can go into your cameras and bits and pieces. And then nice finish on the top, we've got full sliding panoramic roof and the nice ebony suede headlining on the car as well. And then just on the steering wheel, we've got your adaptive cruise control with speed limiter, heated steering wheel, and the full interactive driver display with a head-up display as well. And then all of that's finished with the full Meridian surround sound system. So it's a really brief rundown. There's loads to go through on this car. It is a really nice car, and it's definitely worth coming in and having a test drive of. We can just reserve this car for £99, subject to looking at part exchanges, having a test drive. And if you'd like to do that, please give me a call. My name's Chris, and it's 01642 644 444.